May pips be upon you. I'm going to revisit a call on EURCAD that I made in my last, not the last video, but my previous Outlook video from last week. Talked about EURCAD. This is on the daily. Look where we're at. First thing I want you to make note of is look at where we're at on the RSI. All right, that is over extended by a bunch, and there's a lot of room to the upside. Okay, that's one of the first things I want to show. If I can get out of this, I'll be all right. All right, now I want you to notice that I had it in an ascending wedge. Okay, and these red words, I was like on the weekly, it's at support, which was here, and on the 4 hour, there's a show of strength and breaking of a previous high with a double bottom. Right, we can get rid of that now because we won't need it. This is the daily look. We're at the bottom of this we're at support again, or we're at the bottom of this ascending wedge. And if we go to the 4 hour, we get a better look at the price action. You can see the double bottom, which is awesome to see. Okay, you can see the trend line, the support line of the ascending wedge. Okay, you can also see where we have established a resistance level, a strong resistance level. You see all of these rejections over here, right? So we were waiting on a break and a close above these levels where the past attempts have failed to close above. Okay. Once we see that breach, I'm on the next thing smoking. This was your entry here. Oh, if I could just get that right one time. All right. I would have put my stop loss. You would be safe here. You'd be safer here. Okay. All right. Now some will put theirs below that the support line of the ascending wedge because it's not smart not to do. Okay. The more you can protect your stop loss, the better. And I'm saying, where are we going for the target, right? The target, let's go to the daily, we'll get a better picture. We're at the bottom. We're at the other side of this. Let's aim towards the other side. However, along the way, let's set targets. All right. Right around here should be, let's illustrate it this way. Let's see. Right around here should be target 1. I hit that right on the head. Look at that. And right around here should be target number 2. Target number 3, we would target these highs right about here. All right. Now, that doesn't mean you don't leave a trailer thing all the way to the top. Trail it all the way to the top. You know what I mean? And whenever it does its pullbacks or whatever it's going to do, because it's not going to be a straight line up. It's going to do one of these numbers. All right. It might even come back down here, and then it'll go up. All right. So just be prepared for all of that. But that's what I'm looking at right now. All right. Some people are wondering, oh, is it too late? Oh, is it too late? No, it's not too late. It's too late to get that great entry right there. But what you can expect once you break a hard resistance line, this is the hourly right now. Once you break a hard resistance, you can expect a pullback. So what I'm looking for, something like here. Back to this, back to the entry, looking at this here, because we have these edges here. All right. So I'm looking for a pullback at least to here, and then we can continue. We can continue up. That stop might be here, it might be here, but look for a pullback, and you can get in this. All right. It's not too late. All right. It will pull back. It will pull back. We don't know how deep yet, but one way to find out, if you believe in Fibonacciology, if you believe in Fibonacci, put these Fibonacci's on you. All right. The 618 is pretty close to this this level of resistance that we just broke. So, and we got the 50% right here. I'm looking at this because in every, just a rule of thumb, in every impulse, if there's one different color candle, that's where price will probably come back and hit. All right. And that one's lined up pretty well with the 50 and just below the 38 fib. All right. So let's target that area. You know, I'm saying for those who haven't gotten in. And we can go ahead from there. And hopefully, you know, we should be happy.